Well, joining me right now is Mr. Binay Singh. He's a political analyst. Also joining me, Rakhi Mitra. Good morning, both of you. Ms. Mitra, if I could come to you first. Nandigram has been the focus of all the electioneering that we've seen in West Bengal. It is a very keenly contested constituency. On the one hand, we've got Mamata Banerjee and, of course, her protege and extremely, many would call him her right-hand man earlier, contesting against her. But in the last few days, we have seen the situation on the ground change drastically. And there seems to be some amount of jitters in Mamata Banerjee. Would you agree with that?
See, when I went to Nandigram last week, I could feel the jitters there because the people of Nandigram, what they told me, that is, she stayed there for the first 2 days, then she filed her nomination and then she fled from that place, claiming that she had been injured. That was the turning point of Mamata Banerjee's election campaigning in Nandigram, because she could understand, see, whatever be, Mamata Banerjee is an astute politician. She understood what
saddens me today that in spite of such heavy security drones, yet in Ahmedabad, in Nandigram, today bombs were found, bombs were heard. Why can't we have free, fair and an election without violence in West Bengal? We have seen so many other states which are polling today. None of the other states have this condition. Why do the people of West Bengal have to face this? They had this during the CPM rule. We are seeing it during the TMC rule. Don't we have any democracy? No right to vote here? In Keshpur, there's firing in Keshpur in one of the polling booths, 221, booth number 221.
Right.
Why is this happening here? Why only in West Bengal? That really saddens me.
Right, absolutely. Rakhi Mitra, that has traditionally been a problem with West Bengal. We have seen a lot of violence in elections that have been fought there over the years. Let me come to Mr. Singh now. Mr. Singh, what is your assessment of what's happening in Nandigram? Because, at the end of the day, it is also a battle which will, in a sense, determine the political futures of both Suvendu Adhikari and Mamata Banerjee, in a sense. Because apart from prestige, it is also a question of who has how much political capital.
Look what Rakhi Mitra ji was just talking about, the bombs, the firings, the violence in West Bengal. This is the question which TMC must answer. And this is the question which TMC have the answer. And you can ask these answers from even the precedents of TMC, the CPM. The bomb is a culture, and a very specific kind of bomb is there. A Sutli bomb is there. They put some nails and barud in that gul dabba. They put a Sutli, and it is a very indigenous kind of bomb which is used only in Bengal. So that culture started from CPM, and from CPM that was transferred to TMC. So the answer lies with them. Nobody else can answer, and BJP cannot answer. And one more thing, look, this battle is not a tough battle for the Nandigram especially. It is not a tough battle for Mamata Banerjee, but it is in fact a lost battle. It is a lost battle. She is hopeless, she is helpless now, because the way the techniques they used to use in the last elections. And just 10 seconds. You know what happened? What happens in the normally in the elections? We'll have to wait
and watch for that, Mr. Singh, We'll have to wait and watch for that. Also joining me right now is Niranjan from the Newspit. Niranjan.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have him right now, but as we've been talking about, of course, we'll have to wait and watch for the results to come out on the 2nd of May. But Ms. Mitra, if I could come back to you now, Mamata Banerjee is also facing anti-incumbency, of the past 10 years. And the other thing that perhaps could weigh, either way is Mr. Modi's personal popularity. However, on the other side, the BJP has not really declared a chief ministerial candidate. Now, how do you think that is going to impact?
See, I would like to correct you in one place. That is, this battle is important more for Mamata Banerjee than for Suvendu Adhikari, because she is the incumbent chief minister. And the people of Nandigram, they know it very well that where was this lady in the last 10 years? She may be going on saying that I was not allowed to enter Nandigram. If as a chief minister she said that she was not allowed, then she should leave that post. She should clearly come out and say that yes, Shubhendu Adhikari, the Adhikaris are the boss of Nandigram. They did not allow me to enter. So she has no right to that seat. She should not be fighting from there. So it's more of a battle for her than for Shubhendu Adhikari. It is as simple as that. And as the Dada was saying, I'll tell you, this bomb making, it is an industry in Nandigram itself. There are certain villages in Nandigram which manufactures only these bombs. I have seen it with my own eyes.
Right.
So for
Right,
her,
absolutely. Mr. Singh as well as Rakhi Mitra, for the moment, both of you, thank you for joining us.